To get started, install a compiler like GCC or Clang. Then make a file ending in .c and include any headers you plan to use. Create a main function, which is where the code executes. Given that the main function returns an int, return 0 is success and return 1 is fail. Variables in C are declared with a type, followed by a name and value. Here is a list of variables that can be used in C. If you want to use Boolean values, import the standard Boolean header. Otherwise, use 1 for true and 0 for false. If you want to store strings, create an array of characters, because strings do not exist in C. Like any other programming language, C has if statements, for and while loops, functions, and arrays. C also has the following concepts, like structs, dynamic memory allocation, and pointers. After writing your program, open the terminal and compile it. Thanks for watching and follow for more.